Hi guys, I wanted to explain something that's going to be slightly different on this assignment today. Don't worry, it's not going to impact you very greatly, and it's not that big of a change. I just wanted to make sure you understood. Okay, so on the assignment directions from here on out, you're going to see an Edpuzzle activity linked. You're going to click on this activity. You will complete the Edpuzzle. I can see who has completed it, who has not completed it, and the expectation is that you are taking notes while you are completing the Edpuzzle assignment, okay? And I know that you guys have done Edpuzzle assignments before, so this shouldn't be too challenging. Then, after you finish the Edpuzzle video activity and assignment, you're going to do the Khan Academy assignment on Khan Academy. And you'll click, this link takes you to the assignment. This is usual. Then you'll submit pictures of your Edpuzzle notes and your Khan Academy strategies on the Google form per usual. But I did want to show you the grading rubric because the grading rubric for your assignments is now changing. So of course you'll get a score based on what you score on the Khan Academy account or on the Khan Academy assignment. So I'll double check the score and I'll enter it. Then your Edpuzzle notes, you're either getting points for submitting a clear picture of your Edpuzzle notes with detail, or you're getting no points at all. So you either completed the Edpuzzle assignment activity with quality and your notes are clear and include detail and you're getting 30 points, or you did not complete the Edpuzzle assignment with quality, or there's no picture submitted, or your notes are unclear, or they lack detail, so then you're getting 0 points. Then moving on to the Khan Academy practice strategies. So this is the picture of your strategies that you're writing down while you're completing the assignment on Khan Academy. You're getting 30 points if the picture of your strategies is clear and it is working the problem step by step and there's more than one problem. Or you're getting 0 points if the picture of your strategies is of only one problem, or if you did not complete the Khan Academy assignment, or if you did not include detail, or if your notes were messy. So it's either 30 points or nothing for your pictures from here on out. So if this is unclear, or if you want to ask clarifying questions, please text me, FaceTime me, come to office hours. Just wanted to make sure you understood how you're going to be graded from here on out. Okay? Have a good rest of your week and weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye.